Today, we are going to guess sounds. Hello YouTube, I'm Mooks.
And I'm Niles, and today we are going to play for the sound badge. You see the sound waves. And it's because we are going to guess a few sounds. We've both ventured out into the wild, into the great outside for 20 minutes, and we've both captured 5 sounds. A little bit more, but we've selected 5 of our sounds, and the other is going to listen to them and guess what they are.
Yes.
The person that guesses most right wins. You don't get points for, properly recording a sound. That's not the way it works. So we're gonna play 5 rounds. First round is gonna be the first round.
Yeah.
Whoa! Who's gonna go listen or decide or
decide.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Down.
You can guess first.
I'll guess first. Okay,
Yes.
cool. Then put up a nice little sound for me, would you?
Well, ik wil hard aan het listen.
It's a little bit loud. Is that a stack of paper that you're doing between your thumbs?
No, it's me shuffling cards.
Yeah, that's doing paper with your thumbs. That's exactly what it is.
Shuffling cards.
That's doing paper with your thumbs.
It's shuffling cards.
Papers are cards and you're using your thumbs. It's exactly what I said it was.
But then still.
I mean, it's not the specific exact thing, but it's the same thing. I get a point for this. I just decide that because it's the same thing. Shuffling cards with a thumb is the same as shuffling paper with a thumb.
You didn't say shuffling. You
No,
say
I do.
with
Yeah,
your
doing
thumb.
this.
But,
Because that's exactly what it is.
Point, because
God
otherwise
damn
she'll
it.
be grumpy AF.
Yeah, it's the thing. Your sound. Do you hear it?
Oh yeah, it's a lot of traffic, but that I suppose is
that's
a background noise.
Yes.
But it was from a voetgangerstoplicht.
Yes, it's traffic light.
Yeah,
yes.
traffic light.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Let's see if I can do this one without getting mad.
You can't get mad at this one because this is either right or wrong.
Alright.
It's coming.
Alright, this is you exerting a certain degree of aggression or something.
You want to hear it again?
Yes, please. I think this is you kicking, but I don't know what you're kicking. Like you're stomping something flat, and I think it's a plastic bottle, but what is it?
No, it's me throwing a couple of bottle flips.
At least I had the plastic bottle one. But alright, it's not kicking, so I suppose it's good. You should be able to do this one too.
Oh, great. Well, all I'm hearing is like an airplane.
Yes!
Oh.
It's an airplane.
Oh, wow.
You're, oh, this is
In the
background
beginning
noise.
I was like, is that the background noise? And I was like, I do not hear anything more except from a bit birds and traffic. Let's go for the airplane.
Alright, my third sound.
Yes. What's your third sound? Oh, that one. Ah, good luck.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it.
What I think you did, but I'm not guessing this right away, alright? I think you were doing an eraser or something and then swift away the eraser parts. But I doubt whether you had something to erase. Yeah, I'm going with erasing something that you wrote.
No, I wrote something with a marker on a bit. I didn't. No, I didn't.
What did you write?
Mooks and Niles.
Nice. Good. Alright, Mooks, next one for you. This is really short.
It's really short.
Yes.
Can I hear it again, please?
Sure.
It's really not more than Just a bit of...
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. A little bit of pling-ling, but now what is it?
It can be anything.
It cannot be anything.
Okay, no, but...
You know these big orange bins that we put our postcards and stuff in?
Oh yeah, oh you want that? Oh.
Yes, that's what it is. I figured you might know that one, because, yeah.
Who does, like...
Anything you put in there makes the same sound.
Yeah, but who does that anymore? Like, really?
They're actually removing those bins because nobody...
Yeah!
Alright. It's got that boink sound to it, so it's something that, you know, it's not something solid that doesn't move, because it does a little... I think you're kicking, but I'm not sure. I think you're kicking something, but everything I hear from you sounds like you're kicking because you're such an aggressive person. Are you kicking the bin?
No. I am dropping my longboard on grass. Like 4 times.
How am I supposed to know what that sounds like?
I don't know.
I don't even have a longboard.
Yeah, so?
So I can't know what that sounds like.
It sounded funny, so...
Next sound for you, you cheater.
No, I'm not a cheater.
You're absolutely cheating.
I'm not a cheater.
This is absolutely cheating.
The fact that my sounds might be a bit more difficult is not cheating.
A bit more difficult is not the right term here. I think it's more... extremely more specific. That's probably the better word here.
So?
So?
Is it just you cycling? Or like, wait. Or it's you getting on your bicycle or you cycling?
I would like to hear one answer.
Can I hear it one more time, please?
Just because you say cheater, that's
because your sounds are so damn short.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go for you cycling.
No, this is me walking beside my bicycle.
Okay. No, your sounds are not like specific.
You can hear my footsteps too, so it was...
No, you can't.
Well, I did.
Oh, you can't, but...
What? Because you're stupid, that's why.
There he goes.
Alright, there's something that you're rolling from left to right or right from left and then backwards. But now I'm wondering what you brought with you. Like, what it makes me think of is a plastic cup, but I don't think you brought that with you. Is the problem here. That's why I don't like you bringing stuff with you, because now I'm like, well, oh, but did she have access to, you know?
But you could bring stuff too. There was no rule that you couldn't bring stuff.
No, obviously you could bring stuff, it's just really nasty to do so. And it's not a plastic cup, because that sounds different, because a plastic cup doesn't roll straight. And this kind of rolled straight. You know what I mean? Yes, it did. And the plastic cup goes far more like this, and this went a little bit more like... It didn't go straight, but it didn't go Whatever, I'm going plastic cup rolling.
Oh, it's a Pokeball.
See, it wasn't a plastic cup.
Yeah. But it didn't go straight at all.
It's a Pokeball. Because that's obviously a sound everybody hears every day.
You're laughing.
Yeah.
You're paddling backwards on your bicycle. How's that called?
Paddling backwards.
Yeah, right.
No, because it was actually someone else on someone else's bicycle. It's not me on my bicycle. Sorry.
But I'm right, because it's a bicycle that you're pedaling backwards.
No, I'm not pedaling backwards. I'm not pedaling. It is definitely wrong, Mooks.
But anyways, I won.
Yeah, because you're a cheater. You're absolutely cheating on this one. And you know what is? You know when cheating is sad? When you ridiculously don't need it. That's when cheating is sad.
No, I'm not cheating.
Definitely cheating.
No! It's just me winning another badge.
Is it really?
And you can't stand losing.
It's you getting one, not you winning one.
Well.
That's definitely a different thing.
No, I want it.
Winning is not something in this situation.
I honestly want it because I guessed more right than you did.
If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down there. I'm not sure where I'm looking. It should be looking there, but I'm not. If you liked it, then also
Comment down below to show the face behind the like.
it is you. And also, if you'd like to see more of us, you can do so by subscribing, clicking the bell to never miss out. I mean, you don't need to click the bell, but we prefer you do. Also, last thing, if you'd like to follow us on social media, you can do so. Up Mook's face. That. Yes. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you another time. Bye.